Now about Pythagoras theorem statement. Once again, see, as I told, the statement of Pythagoras theorem is, in a right angle triangle, sum of the squares of two sides is equal to square of hypotenuse. Here hypotenuse means the opposite side to right angle. Here right angle is shown at B. An example I have taken triangle ABC. Triangle ABC have three sides AB, BC and AC. Let assume AB as X, BC as Y and AC as Z. So in these three sides, the side AC is opposite to right angle. Right angle at B opposite to right angle is AC. That's why AC is said to be as hypotenuse. According to the statement, in this right angle triangle, sum of squares of two sides. That means two sides are AB and BC. Their sum. Sum of squares of two sides. That means AB square plus AC square is equal to square of hypotenuse. Is equal to square of hypotenuse. That is AB assumed as X. So AB square means X square plus BC assumed as Y. BC square means Y square is equals to AC assumed as Z. That is equals to Z square. So here in this figure I have taken AB and BC are two sides and AC as hypotenuse. ABC is a right angle triangle where the right angle is at B. Okay. After understanding this statement, we want to prove this Pythagoras theorem. As earlier I told, Pythagoras theorem we can prove by geometrical method and algebraic method also. In this class, algebraic method we are using to prove it. To prove in algebraic method, we have to remember two formulae. What that is, what those two formulae is, see here, those two formulae are, the first one is, if x, y are any two integers, then x plus y whole square is equals to x square plus 2xy plus y square. This is the first formula you have to remember. And the second one, in a triangle, x is base, y is altitude, then area of the triangle is half into base into height. That means half into base means x into height means y. Height, altitude both are same. So half into x into y means half xy. So see the figure. One right angle triangle I have taken here. In this one, base is x and the altitude or height is y. So area of this triangle is nothing but half into base means x into height y is equals to half xy. So these two formulae you have to remember. First one, if xy are any two integers, then x plus y whole square is equals to x square plus 2xy plus y square. And the second one, if x is base and y is altitude, then area of triangle is equals to half into base into height, that is nothing but half xy. Okay, now coming to proof of Pythagoras theorem by algebraic method. So see here, figure, different figures I drawn. In first step, draw one line segment. Draw one line segment with any measure. And next, after drawing that line segment, divide that line segment into two parts. One part assume as x and the remaining part assume as y. That means you drawn this line segment with the measure of 6 centimeter for example. Then Assume some part, that means some part as 2 centimeters and remaining part as 4 centimeter. That means x is 2 and y is 4. Suppose you drawn this line segment with the measure of 9 centimeter. Then assume some part, that means x as 3, y as 6, totally x plus y 9. Like that, with any measure you draw and divide that line segment into two parts as x and y. And next, how much the line segment you drawn, with the same measure construct one square. A, B, C, D, one square has to construct. That means x plus y, how much will be? Same x plus y other side also, same x plus y other side also, and same x plus y the fourth side also. That means all the sides are same. It is clearly square. How much the side of this A, B, C, D? X plus y, x plus y, x plus y, x plus y. Okay. Now, next. So, where these two parts divided, that means x as some part and y as some part. At the division part, at this division part, mark. After marking, where you marked, join, those are all marked points. Join, those are all marked points. You will get square EFGH. EFGH. Okay. Now, after this, coming to proof. Now, from this figure, A, B, C, D is a square. Area of the square is side into side. The side of this square A, B, C, D is x plus y. Side is x plus y. That means side into side means x plus y into x plus y. That is nothing but x plus y whole square. So, area of square ABCD means x plus y whole square. And this total figure ABCD square is nothing but area of EFGH square, area of square EFGH, and also this area of these four triangles, area of AEH, area of triangle, EBF, area of triangle, CGF, area of triangle, DGH. So, area of triangle area of square ABCD means area of triangle, area of square EFGH, and also area of these four triangles. That only I written here. Area of square ABCD is equals to area of square EFGH plus 4 into area of triangles. That means area of square ABCD, that means x plus y into x plus y whole square is equals to area of square EFGH. That means let assume the side of this EFGH as z, then z into z. That means side into side is side square, z into z is z square, plus area of triangle AEH. Its base is x, height is y. As I told earlier about the formula, area of triangle means base half into base into 8, half into base into height. So that is half into base means x into height means y. Same like that, next one, area of this EBF triangle, half into base means x, height is y. Next, area of this CGF triangle, half into base x into y. And the fourth one, area of this DGH triangle also half into base x into y. That only written here. Z square, that means area of square EFGH plus area of 4 triangles. That means first triangle, area of triangle AEH plus area of triangle EBF plus area of triangle CGF plus area of triangle DGH. So that is, as earlier I told, x plus y whole square is equals to x square plus 2xy plus y square. That is equals to z square plus half xy plus half xy plus half xy plus half xy is nothing but 4 into half xy. Now, next step, x square plus 2xy plus y square is equals to z square plus, here 2 1s, 2 4s will get cancelled. What remains then? 2xy. Then in next step, here 2xy, here also 2xy. That means left hand side also 2xy, right hand side also 2xy. Both will get cancelled. Then what remains? X square plus y square, that is equals to z square. So x square plus y square is equals to z square. Nothing but the proof of Pythagoras theorem. Here we used variables. So this is the proof of Pythagoras theorem by algebraic method. Okay. Now, after proving the theorem, what will be the problems upon this theorem? See, some examples I have given here. In the first example, what's the problem is here? In a right angle triangle ABC, in a right angle triangle ABC, angle B is 90 degrees. Angle B is 90 degrees. AB is 3 centimeter, BC is equals to 4 centimeter. Then find AC. So now, solution for that one. First, draw rough figure. A rough figure. Construct roughly triangle ABC, where in the problem given, angle B is 90 degrees. Mark 90 degrees at B. AC in the problem, AB in the problem given 3 centimeters. BC in the problem given 4 centimeters. Asking us to find AC. So in solution, what is given? Write down. Given in triangle ABC, angle B is 90 degrees, AB equals to 3 centimeter, BC equals to 4 centimeter. We know that in a right angle triangle, sum of the squares of two sides is equals to hypotenuse square. That means AB square plus BC square is equals to AC square by Pythagoras theorem. Now, AB square in the problem given as 3, substitute 3 in the place of AB, that is 3 square plus BC square. BC in the problem given 4, substitute 4 in the place of BC, that is equals to AC square. 3 square means 3 into 3, 9, plus 4 square means 4 into 4, 16. So 9 plus 16 is equals to 25, that is equals to AC square. 25 we can write as 5 square also, 5 5s. So 5 square is equals to AC square. Then AC is equals to 5 centimeter. So like that we can solve the problem. And next, one more example also you may see here. See, in a right angle triangle, see the problem what is given here. In a right angle triangle, hypotenuse is 10 centimeter. One of the two sides is 6 centimeter. Then find the other side. So in this problem, one side given, hypotenuse given, asking us to find other side. So for this given information also, roughly draw one triangle. So what is given? Draw one right angle triangle. Right angle at B we can take. Hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is given as 10 centimeter. So opposite to right angle is hypotenuse, that one take as 10 centimeters. One of the two sides, AB and BC are two sides, one of them take as 6 centimeter given in the problem. Asking us to find the other side, that means BC. Okay, let's assume In triangle ABC, angle B is 90 degrees and given information hypotenuse. Then hypotenuse is AC, that is 10 centimeter. Then one of the two sides take as AB, that is given in the problem as 6 centimeter. Now we know in a right angle triangle ABC, AB square plus BC square is equals to AC square. That means sum of squares of two sides is equals to square of hypotenuse square by Pythagoras theorem. Now substitute in the place of AB. How much given in the problem? AB is 6. Substitute. In the place of BC, nothing to substitute. Why? Because we have to find BC only. Leave as it is equals to, in the place of AC, substitute 10 and given in the problem. It means 10 square. After substituting, simplify. 6 square. 6 square means 6 into 6, that is 36, plus BC square as it is equals to 10 square means 10 into 10, that is 100. Now BC square. So 36 transposed to right hand side, then what will remains left hand side? Only BC square is equals to 100. After transposition, B36 will becomes minus 36. Plus will becomes minus after transposition. That means BC square is equals to 100 minus 36. When BC square is equals to 64. Then BC square is equals to 64. We can write as 8 square also. 8 8s are 64. So BC square is equals to 8 square. Then BC is nothing but 8 centimeter. Okay. So this is this type of problems we may get from Pythagoras theorem. Now one more. What I told, Pythagorean triplet also. The last one in our today's topic. The Pythagoras triplet means, let assume ABC are any three integers. ABC are any three integers. If ABC satisfies the equation A square plus B square is equals to C square, then they are said to be as Pythagorean triplet. There means these numbers. For example, 3, 4, 5, A, B, C are any three integers. ABC satisfies the equation A square plus B square is equals to C square. 3, 4, 5 satisfies the equation 3 square plus 4 square is equals to 5 square. See, is it or not? 3 square means 9 plus 4 square means 16. So 9 plus 16, 25 is equals to 5 square. That means 25 satisfies the equation. That's why these 3, 4, 5, these three integers are said to be as Pythagorean triplet. Same like that, more examples. 6, 8, 10. 6 square plus 8 square is equals to 10 square. 6 square means 36 plus 8 square means 64. 36 plus 64 is 100. And here 10 square means 100. 100 equals to 100. Equation satisfied. So 6, 8, 10 also Pythagorean triplet. Next 5, 12, 13. 5 square plus 12 square is equals to 13 square. 5 square means 25 plus 12 square means 144. 25 plus 144, 169. 13 square, 13 13s are 169. So equation satisfied again. That's why 5, 12 and 13 also said to be as Pythagorean triplet. And next one, 8, 15, 17 and 8, 15, 17. So take this one. 8 square plus 15 square is equals to 17 square. 8 square means 64 plus 15 square means 225. So 64 plus 225 is equals to 289 is equals 17 square. 17 square means 17 17s are 289. Again the equation satisfied. That's why 8, 15, 17 also said to be as Pythagorean triplet. Okay, once again what we discussed today. First, about Pythagoras theorem, the statement of the Pythagoras theorem. Then after that, proof of Pythagoras theorem by algebraic method. Next, some example problems on this Pythagoras theorem. Then after that, Pythagorean triplet. Okay students, I will post the worksheet also along with this video. Solve that one and send me back. Have a good day.